Hello, in this video we show how to plot a confusion matrix in Python. The confusion matrix is used in classification tasks. So it shows that how many observations were classified by the module and how many observations are classified correctly and how many observations are incorrectly classified. So for example, in a two-case classification job, so we have these four items in confusion matrix. So we have true positive, so-called TP, which means both the actual and the predicted labels are true. And false positive, which means the actual labels are not a negative, but the prediction of this label is positive. And a true negative means both the actual and the predicted labels are negative. And a false negative, which means the actual label is positive, but the prediction is negative. So we have these four fields, and TP, TN both are correctly classified observations, and these two are not correctly classified. Then we go to Python IDE to show how to plot very simple confusion matrix. So first we import matplotlib and pandas, and we import confusion matrix from scikit-learn matrix. Then we create a dictionary with yTrue and yPredict, and with a corresponding list for the labels, true labels and predicted labels. Then we show the data. So this is a dictionary, and we also create a data frame which includes yTrue and yPredict data. Then this is data frame, has two columns. One is yTrue and one is yPredict, which will be used in the confusion matrix. Then we show the first way that we can print a confusion matrix using crosstab, pandas crosstab. Then we set row name and column name. Then we print information and print this confusion matrix. So you can see the actual part of 0 and predict 0, which is true. We can call this is true positive. It has 5 counts, and a true negative has 4 counts. Then false negative 2 counts, and a true false positive 1 counts. An alternative way is that you can just use confusion matrix function from scikit-learn and with true data frame. So to list yTrue and yPredict, then we can print this confusion matrix. So this type of confusion matrix has 2 brackets output and no label for actual or prediction for the column. And one type of confusion matrix is that normalized. So these counts are normalized with respect to all the observations. So the result is a fraction, or say the portion of the data that are correctly classified. So we create another confusion matrix called CM2 using confusion matrix data predict true true and predicted data, then we set normalize all. Then we can print this confusion matrix. So now the field for the true positive, true negative, and false negative, false positive are both fractions of the data, of all the data that are classified true or false. Thanks for watching.